Let's learn some collective nouns for animals. A tribe or flock of goats, a bedlam of bats, an army of frogs, a drove of donkeys, a nest of rats, a congregation of alligators, a leap of leopards, a kindle or litter of kittens, a herd or memory of elephants, a herd of deer, a pack of wolves, a pride or pack or flock of dinosaurs, a warren of rabbits, a flock of sheep, a caravan of camels, a pride of lions, a streak of tigers, a herd of cows, an obstinacy of buffaloes, a crash of rhinoceros, a dazzle of zebras, a tower of giraffes, a troop of monkeys, a litter of puppies, a scurry of squirrels, a sloth of bears, a knot of toads, a pack of dogs, a litter of pigs, a string of race horses, a troop or mob of kangaroos, a zoo of wild animals. Thanks for watching and follow for more videos.